here, and we're just going to do a very short little session on a few little strength moves for beginners in yoga, a nice quick one. Okay, so come and join me. Okay, legs, have a little bit of space around you. Legs just about shoulder width apart. Slight bend through the knees, bring the shoulders up and over. Just shake the arms out before we start. Just a little bit of movement before we sort of get going a little bit. Okay, reaching up, breathing in and out. Okay, here we go. I'm going to have my legs a little bit wider here and a little bit of an angle through the feet. Inhaling, lifting up, and exhale, coming down. Just a little bit of a squat here. Just a bit of light movement through the legs. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, shaking the legs out a little bit. Okay, here we go. We're going to get into it fairly quickly. Feet shoulder width apart or just a little wee bit outside. You're going to reach up to the front. Reach up, and we're going to do a little twist to the right side. Okay, both arms are there, down, up and down. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Good, both sides, and now arms come to the front and just like you're sitting on a seat. Now if this is too hard with the arms out the front, just have the hands on the hips and just sit down in a little squat. You can lean forward a bit. Let's go, coming back up. Okay, reaching, lifting, twisting, slight bend through the knees as we twist. Up to the front, reach and down. And now we're going to chair pose, arms to the front, sitting down on the seat. Hold it here just for a second or two. 3, 2, and 1. Reaching up. Good. Let's go again. Palms down. A little twist. Good. Coming up through center. Twisting to the other side. Guess what? Chair. Arms to the front and sitting down. Arms don't have to be there. Remember, they can just be there or here. What works? 3, 2, and 1. Coming back up. One more time. Reaching, twisting, slight bend through the knees. Arms reaching up again to the front and twisting the other side. Good. Come down into chair pose. Sitting down. Sit. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Lifting up. Beautiful. Arms come down. Legs come wide. Okay, nice and wide on the mat. We're going to go to, I'm going to go to warrior 2. So your right leg is going to face out. Your other leg is going to turn in. Okay, so it's almost like we're on one line while we're here. Alright, so I'm going to have my feet out wider. I like them out fairly wide, as if we're pushing the mat apart. Sinking down with the front leg, arms out to the side. As you find, you'll find yourself probably trying to lean that way. Try to pull your body back so your shoulders are over your hips. Good. Palms are down, nice and strong through the arms. So we're going to do archer. Alright, so don't have to have legs out as wide as I am, but just see how you go, alright? So arms, you're going to bring your arm forward. It doesn't matter which arm, we're going to go forward here. As we go forward, I'm leaning forward a bit, and now I'm going to straighten that front leg as I go into archer pose. So this back leg is bent. I'm leaning up a little bit. This arm is facing up a bit. Good, we got that. Coming back, swirling that arm out to the front, leaning forward over the leg, pulling back again. So we're going forward. Now that front leg is straight, back leg is bent. So as if we're going to shoot something into the sky, yeah? Coming forward again, reaching out, pulling back, bending the back leg, reaching up, feeling a bit like, yeah, that Usain Bolt, yeah. His position, and boing! And we release the arrow, come back through center. Are we good? We're in center. So I'm just gonna just move my feet around a bit here and sinking down through the middle, just come into cactus pose. So sink down, arms are out to the side, and then we're reaching up. So try to keep your elbows back here, reaching up, legs are straight. Now coming back down, Elbows are back, try to pull them back from forward, sinking down, bottoms down. We're not leaning forward here. Chest is up, pushing up again, and then back down. So lots to think about. Chest is up, bottoms down. Yeah, that's it. Palms are wide, fingers nice and wide as well. Here we go. Up one more time, sinking down through the middle. Really good for the body, this one. Really working those glutes, coming back up. Well done. Shall we go the other side for the archer? Yes, we shall. Left leg pointing that way, right leg turns. Pushing, as if you're pushing away the mat from underneath you or the floor. Bend that front leg, okay? Bend that front leg. Arms are out. Shoulders away from the ears. Palms are down. Starting position. Remember, pull yourself back. Shoulders over hips. Okay, here goes the archer. Back arm comes round to the front. Palms are together here. And then we're pulling it back. As I pull it back, front leg goes straight, back leg. Oh, I've got to bend my back. Bend the back leg. Palms can be down, can be up. Doesn't matter too much, okay? So here we go. Round to the front. Big circle round. I've got to bring my legs a bit closer. Circling round. And then pulling back. Straight leg, bent legs. Changed again. Here we go. Forward, reaching, and back again. Bending that back leg. I'm having a bit of a funny back leg. Come on, back leg. You can do it. Okay, we'll go one more time. Forward and back. Bending that back leg. That's better. Holding back the bow and release. Okay, come back through center. Legs are out wide. We're still out wide. Are we good? Come back to the cactus. Okay, reaching up first and back down. Sink. Good. Up we go. Reach and back down. Sinking. Sink, 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 sink. You might be a bit better this time. Might be able to come a little bit lower. And up and back down. Elbows are back. Good. Movement through the shoulders. Up we go. Reach and back down. Good. Good work. Stay here for a second. Hands can come back down. Put them on your hips if you like. Okay, toe on the toe, on the toe. See if you can do it just a little bit. 3, 2, and 1. Coming back up. Good. Have a little break. Shake the legs. Going to bring them in actually. Give them a bit of a shake. We need to have a little bit of a break here. All right. How are we going? Good? Should we do that one more time? One more time. Legs are out wide. We'll go through the whole routine of the archer. Okay, so, but we won't go quite so long. We'll just do 3, back through the middle 3. All right, so right leg pointing, left leg turns. You know the drill, don't you? Arms are out to the side, pull yourself back. Okay, bending that front knee, back leg is nice and straight, pushing the hip down towards the floor. We're here. Archer, coming forward, pulling back. 1, excellent. Coming forward, good, pulling back, bending that back leg, straightening the front one, and back forward. And pulling back, bending that back leg, and release the arrow. Coming back through center. Okay, change your angles of the feet. Arms reach up and cactus down. Good. Reaching up and down. Remember, elbows back here. Staying up nice and tall. Up. Try not to lean forward. That's what I mean by saying tall. And back down. So we're 3 in the middle. Good. Coming up. Okay, turn the feet. Turn the feet. Okay. Left leg is out here. Turning the other one in. Arms out to the side. Bending that front knee and then pulling the body back. Okay, so warrior 2, archer. Here we go. Round we go. Forward. Pull back, bending through that back leg. And then forward. Here we go. Bending through the back leg, straight leg at the front. and forward and back. Good work, hold it there. Oh, where can we go? Here, doesn't matter. And release. Okay, coming back through the center, watch the feet. Okay, this time a little bit of a change, side to side, just releasing through the legs, releasing through the knees, releasing through the legs, shoulders releasing. Little rolls side to side. Good. Well done, you've done well. Just a little bit of strength work, a little bit of mobility, and not too hard, hopefully not too hard. Roll the shoulders, okay, bring the legs in, shoulders to the ears, and then just go, okay, slide them through the knees, lifting up, and here we go, up, squeeze, and release, shaking out the legs. Well done. Actually, we'll throw in a stretch because we really do need to stretch the thighs with this one because of what we've just done. All right, so if you want to find a piece of a wall to stand, lean against a wall or a chair or anything, holding on to the wall, leaning on it, just grab hold of your foot, keeping the knees, if you don't want to, that's fine too, if you've got good balance, okay, keeping the knees pretty close together, okay, and pulling the foot in towards your bottom. Then you get the hip, so I'm doing my right leg here, so I'm going to push my right hip forward as I'm doing this to just increase that stretch in the thigh. Okay, staying up nice and tall as well. Use something to balance, it's always good to do that. So we can get the correct form and let's just swap to the other side. All right, so pulling the foot in towards the bottom, nice and tall through the body, shoulders away from the ears, foot comes in towards the bottom, and then I'm going to push my left hip forward just a wee bit to increase that stretch, because we need to really do that after those squatty things, and yeah, after the archer things, good to have a good stretch, a little bit of a stretch. Then can't always be quick with things. So how are we going? Shake that out. Well done. Thanks for joining me. And you did well. And I will see you next time. Thank you for joining me. See you. Bye.